stuff. I'm in Ohio, and I'm going to be going over the notch throw line cube. It's pretty nice. I like the color. I like the design of it. Inside, it's got 2 pockets. It's got for your throw balls. It's got a green one for the one that's on top ready to go, and it's got a red one in there for the one that's on bottom. One cool thing is they've got this like little Velcro tab right here. If you want, you can capture your line in there. It's even labeled green, so you know, like, hey, that's the part of the line I want to pull out to be able to throw my ball. Personally, I don't use it. I'm not really a fan of it. One thing I like about this cube, or like other cubes, is that, you know, easy to feed in like this, or even if you're standing and even on a windy day, like today's not very windy, but you can just flake your line in there very easily. It closes very nicely. Oh, one other thing before I close it, it's got this little tab here. You can add in like accessory carabiners right there to have for your throw balls when you're ready to send out or connect to your rope. It's got this little foot tab here to make it easy to close and open, and it folds up very nicely. It's got this Velcro strap here with this loop here to wrap it, and closes very small and compact, and it's nice. And that's the notch throw line cube.